Hey YouTube, it's Leanna here. I know it's been quite a while since I made a video. Just here at work I have a couple minutes, so I wanted to quickly give you an update. I recently got the all clear for my 3 years in remission. I had a chest and I guess neck CT scan, all clear still as far as that goes. Again, I just wanted to quickly update you guys. I know I haven't been on in a long time. I'm going to try to make more videos. One thing that I do have going on now is some infertility issues. So I'll get into more of that in further videos. And I guess you guys probably want to see my hair. Sorry, it's going to be a mess. It's been a while. So it's actually grown quite a bit. Pretty long now. I try to just trim it once or twice a year, but there it is. All right, I'll try to make more videos. Sorry it's been so long.